Dark circles under the eyes is a very complex problem. It is not an easy fix. To correct this, it starts with foundational lifestyle habits, right? Good sleep, good diet, good skincare. The grayish hue is sometimes genetic, and you want to avoid putting clear filler in that area. You can do stimulatory filler like a Sculptra or something else, or even fat, or even PRP. What you don't want to do is do something that's going to augment that gray color, like using clear filler, like a hyaluronic acid-based filler. In addition to that, you want to do some type of topical retinol or eye cream that has it, like a Hydroform from ZO is really good. Potentially CO2 or PRP with microneedling to kind of thicken the dermis so you don't see as much of that gray area there. So if you need volume, use fat or the right type of filler or PRP. The skin texture, thinness, you want to improve that with skincare or some type of ablative device that can actually thicken that dermis there. And then the third part is that foundational stuff like good sleep, good diet and stuff like that, low stress. And lastly, a little bit of red light can improve the under eye area. Let me know in the comments what works for you and your dark circles.